In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM for website lead form. To get started, you first need to open your Zoho CRM account and access the settings area. Once you are logged in, look to the top right corner of the interface where you will see a gear icon. Click Setup using that gear icon. This is the main control center where you can manage forms, channels, and the way CRM receives information from the outside. After you open Setup, you will want to find the section related to capturing leads from the website. On the Setup screen, look for an area called Channels. When you see it, click into Channels. This section is where Zoho organizes the different pathways and tools for collecting leads, such as web forms. Next, inside Channels, you should specifically look for web forms. Click Web Forms so the system shows the options for creating and managing the forms you will use on your site. This matters because your website lead form needs to connect directly to Zoho CRM, so leads are saved and tracked automatically. Once you are on the Web Forms page, you can create a new form for your website. Look for a button that says Create New Form and click it. When the form creation window opens, you will be asked to fill in a few basics. Start by entering a name for the form. Choose a clear name so you can recognize it later. Then you will need to select the module. The module determines where the lead information will be stored in Zoho CRM, so take a moment to make sure you are using the correct one for your lead records. After you have set the name and module, click Create. Now that the form is created, you will customize what fields appear on the form. The next part is the layout, and this is where you decide exactly what information you want to collect from visitors. You will see a design area, and you can add fields by using drag and drop. Drag and drop your desired fields onto the layout. As you place each field, pay attention to how it will appear to the person filling out the form. You want the arrangement to feel simple and organized, so leads can complete it without confusion. Once you have added all the fields you need, you will move to the next step of setup. In the top right area of the form builder, click Next Step, which is shown as a blue button. This takes you from building the structure of the form into configuring its details, which includes how the form behaves and how it will save information. On the Form Details screen, you will enter the rest of the information required for the form to work correctly. Take a moment to review the options shown on the screen and enter the form details as prompted. The goal here is to ensure the form is properly configured for your website lead flow. After you confirm the details look correct, click Save. Saving is important because it locks in your configuration so it is ready to use for your website. At this point, your Zoho CRM web form setup is complete through the configuration steps you just finished. You created a new form, selected the correct module, added the fields visitors will fill out, and saved the details so the system can capture leads properly. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.